Would you know what's coming down the sky? You can guess, but don't even try. Hail or rain, or low pressure zones, thunderstorms, typhoons, or tropical cyclones. Whether or not it's rain or shine, weather wizards will make it fine. Be weather wiser to save your day. Be cool, be weather wiser today. Learning's fun with a weather wizard.
One day, Tito Mike invited us to a fiesta in his hometown in Bicol.
We saw Mayon volcano. It was so beautiful.
The food in the fiesta was so delicious.
Thank you to all of you, and you were able to come. Just mabalus!
Thank you for inviting us, Mike.
Wait, what's that? Oh, it's my portable weather station.
Oh man, according to the Weather Philippines app, there's a typhoon coming.
If only the people here have the Weather Philippines app, they could have prepared for the typhoon.
I have a feeling that a strong wind is about to come.
Tito Mike was right. All of a sudden, a strong wind began to blow. Mico and I were so scared.
Let's all go inside. The typhoon is coming.
Why is the wind and rain so angry and strong?
Mico, they are not angry. The rain and wind are strong because of the typhoon.
What causes a typhoon, Tito Mike?
Just like your pinwheels, a typhoon is a rotating mass of clouds that brings strong rains and wind.
When the warm moist air from the sea goes up into the sky, a group of clouds will develop and a low pressure area will form.
Tito Nilu, why is it quiet all of a sudden?
Pil, Mico, we are now at the eye of the typhoon.
Eye? Why does the typhoon have an eye?
Good day to all. The middle of the typhoon is called the eye. It is called because the force throws out all the rain and winds into the edges. Outside of this is the eye wall, where the strongest winds and rain occur. Beyond it are the rain bands, which can stretch for many kilometers. The rain bands can be divided into an inner and outer rain band, depending on how close it is to the eye and how strong the rainfall and winds are.
Oh my! Tito Mike, why are the strong rains and wind back again?
Ah, the typhoon's eye has left, and we are now experiencing the other side of the eye wall.
Look at all that garbage floating.
Oh man, because of the trash, we are starting to have a flood.
Flood? What is that?
A flood is the rise of water in rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water. This causes the water to overflow to lower lying areas. Floods can cause damage to property and even to the loss of lives.
We have to rescue the little boy.
Yay! You're so great, Kuya Adonis. You are a hero.
In times of crisis, we should always help one another.
I didn't know floods can be so dangerous. Are floods always caused by rain?
It can also be caused by wrong disposal of garbage, as you've seen. The garbage clogs up the canals, preventing the rainwater from going to the sea.
Floods can also be caused by illegal logging or when people chop down so many trees from the mountains. Rain falls strongly through the mountain because there are no trees to absorb the water. Because of that, landslides may happen.
Landslide? What is that?
A landslide occurs when earth or rock slide down from a mountain because of rain. Because of this, the soil can bury houses and even people.
That is so scary! Oh my, so it is wrong to throw garbage just anywhere.
That's right. We should always love and care for our environment.
The typhoon will increase. Residents in the region are advised to immediately evacuate the area as soon as possible.
Have no fear, Tito Mike is here. Let's call the cloud car.
But wait, we have a lot of things to do first. First, make sure that you bring food, medicine, drinking water, flashlight and radio with you. Place all your valuables in a higher place in your house. Shut down the main power switch of your electricity. And lastly, close all windows before you leave.
We always make sure that we throw our trash properly.
We also joined a tree planting activity with the weather wizards.